Manus Software presents the world's most powerful cloud-based post-processor developer. It is really easy to use because it is not a text editor but a designer. MANUSpost developer has a huge CNC post-processor library. Create and customize your post-processor just by clicking where you want to edit. A single screen that can manage everything. If you want to use scripts for advanced applications, you can do so by adding small scripts wherever necessary. MANUSpost developer allows you to create one common post-processor for multiple CAM software. Analyze each CNC line in its creation process and identify the active operation type and the APTCL line. You can create and compare multiple NC programs, making it easy to identify the differences. You can keep your finalized post-processor forever, even if you choose not to renew your MANUSpost developer license. Thank you for watching.